My real name's actually Henri, but Ruskin is my stage name. And I got this idea from something I think Joseph Campbell said, about that intellect is not the source of poetry. So it's kind of like an alter ego thing. So the first poem I'm going to read is the first poem I ever wrote, actually. About 6-7 years ago. And I'm kind of inspired because I'm a Buddhist. And I have this great thing that you only really have one life. And you can look at it when you go to bed, you die, and when you get up in the morning, you're born again. That's one way of looking at it. So anyway, it's called Many Lives. In my one life, I have had many lives. Each one started with a big bang, but always ended with a catastrophic prang. I was born a lonely prince in a silver tower, until fate stepped in and removed all my power. So I became a nomadic traveller, sleeping in the trash, because that's what you do when you have no cash. I was the Mad Hatter, with this constant chatter that caused such strife throughout all of my life. Then I became the White Rabbit, with chemical habits. Some made me blind, while others expanded my mind. I've been an owl in flight, hunting for rats throughout the night. I've been a monkey in a tree, living completely for free. I've been an elephant for more than a day, trampling through anything that got in my way. I have sucked energy from the sun because I once believed that I was the one. I have travelled to some wickedly dark places and encountered some rather familiar faces. I have quaffed the elixir of life, cut a hole in time with a surgeon's knife. Oh, I've been such a foolhardy clown. On the edge of a cliff, I stared right into the abyss, and then I abseiled all the way down. Was I taking the piss? So, I became a knight of the round table. On a hungry quest, I travelled north, east, south, and west. To find my holy grail, I was not able. So to make my journey faster, I sought out a master. The master of the secret keep said, "Wake up! You're merely just asleep." Then I met the keeper of the keys. He was the one who taught me to see. He instructed me with a twinkle in his eye, "Keep your feet on the ground and your head in the sky." On the 7th moor, I met the juggling jester, banging on my door. Oh, he did pester. The cool breeze brought me the Jedi from the east, who carried me all the way to the feast. It was there I met my Latin muse. Our souls danced as they began to fuse. She cradled me all night long and taught me the secret behind the sacred song. And finally my eyes opened wide as I rose up in glory with her by my side. And now I'm living my final childhood, because I finally found my Buddhahood.
Your fly stand.
Is it? I'm sorry.
We've all got a fly stand in the back.
It's the new fashion trend. Everyone else has got theirs.
Yeah, why haven't you?
This one's based on an online relationship. It was purely a relationship of words that really did me a lot of good and ended as most passionate relationships do, disastrously. But I don't regret it at all. Anyway, so here's how it goes. To deny the beast within ourselves traps in us 10 million hells. Asleep in me the beast has been, not seen the light since 'twas a teen. I hid my wolf so very well, no love would ever reach that hell. And with wolf secured in oubliette, I loved with only what was left. With most of me packed in a hearse, I drifted through the universe. Then like a flash, a muse appeared. Too soon for me, I really feared. But I had waved my fist to gods. I demand my wish, you crooked sods. For I declare I'll pay any price. I declare I'll pay any price. Mine own pure soul I'd sacrifice. So there she was, my holy grail, who showed me that I cannot fail to live out all one's dreams and desires, to love until one's heart is fire. And as all my guilt fled from my soul, I now began to feel so whole. She freed me from my wasted life, where I'd been hiding from my strife. She touched with grace my dark within, and bared the beauty of my sin. She gave to me such attitude, for that I'm in deep gratitude. This muse, this nymph, this playful child, did stir in me something so wild, inspired in me to sit and write 10 million sonnets every night. For she had cast the muse's spell to open up that inner hell. We frolicked every darkened hole, and through our will we had a ball. such a spell intoxicates, and thus the ego doth inflate. I got too drunk on her desire, and very nearly quenched the fire. I hurt the dearest thing to me, and now I fear I will never see the truth behind the fantasy. So sad, but that's the price, you see, for saying, give my wish to me.